Ready for a tech-tastic adventure? Discover the 12 coolest gadgets on Amazon that are absolute game changers. Check out the description for all the product links you need. Stay tuned and let's dive right in. Tiny Survival Card and Kit. Introducing the Tiny Survival Card and Kit, a compact powerhouse that fits right in your wallet. But don't let its size fool you, because this little gem packs a punch. Curious about its offerings? Brace yourself for a mini knife, a dual-edged saw, and an array of finishing tools, from harpoons to hooks and a lure. Not to mention a micro finger drill, sewing needles, and tweezers. Crafted from stainless steel, it's both sturdy and corrosion resistant. The magnetic base and triangular tabs ensure easy tool removal and replacement. And if you're ever caught in a bind, the Tiny Survival Guide provides step-by-step first aid and medical guidance. Scan QR codes for online training resources. Preparedness is key, and this compact marvel has got your back. Venty Portable Fan. Can a fan truly redefine your journey? This wireless wonder thinks so. With compact dimensions of 9 by 20 centimeters, it's tailored for hikes and train rides, weighing just over a kilogram. But the real power lies in its 1600 mAh battery, offering up to 48 hours of operation and serving as a power bank through USB and USB Type-C ports. Its versatility shines through with 180-degree rotation, 4 speeds, and a remote control with a 10-meter range. To add to the allure, ambient lighting in 3 warm tones sets the mood. And at just $90, this travel essential comes with its very own travel case. Star Trek Communicator. Ever dreamt of owning a real Star Trek communicator? Well, now you can. This authentic gadget mirrors the one from the movies, crafted with premium materials and actual jewels. But hold on, it's not just a collector's item. Pair it with your phone via Bluetooth, flip it open, and make calls just like in Star Trek. The preloaded sound effects and voice clips truly bring the Enterprise experience to life. And that's not all. It's also a wireless speaker, playing your favorite tunes with playback and volume controls. Plus, the display stand pulls double duty as a wireless charger. Embrace the future with the Star Trek Communicator, complete with a carrying case and pouch. Up Suitcase. Have you ever wished your suitcase could do more? This innovative design seamlessly blends a suitcase and a wardrobe into one. In its compact form, it's a regular suitcase with a 75-centimeter height. But here's the magic. Lift the top part and it effortlessly transforms into a spacious 130-centimeter wardrobe. With 6 shelves and up to 86 liters of capacity, you'll never have to worry about creased clothes again. The top section even doubles as a snack table or workspace. German engineered and designed with precision, this mobility marvel weighs around 9 kilograms, making it easy to transport with its 4 wheels and telescopic handle. Is the convenience worth the price of $952? That's for you to decide. Ant Multitool Pen. It's more than just a writing instrument. Ever wished for a pen that could do more? This pen is a multi-tool that's ready for action. Need a screwdriver? No problem. Need to jot down a note or defend yourself? It's got you covered with its innovative double-sided bolt action mechanism. And with the hidden screwdriver and customizable bits, you're equipped for any situation. From quick fixes to emergencies, the Ant is your ultimate tool. Triclops leather, Viridian. At first glance, it might seem simple, but there's more than meets the eye. Its unique feature? A 4-sided rotating cylinder that displays 1 numeral at a time, telling the time in a completely new way. With super luminova pigment on the numbers, the dial is easily visible in the dark. And with a round glass that ensures clarity from every angle, you'll always know the time, no matter how you look at it. Unihertz Tank. Trust me, this phone is a powerhouse that's a force to be reckoned with. But it's not just its size that's impressive. With a whopping 22,000 mAh battery, this phone is like a portable power bank with calling capabilities. Imagine going up to 8 days without needing to recharge. And with 150 hours of continuous talk time, communication is never a worry. This rugged phone is built to withstand water, dust, and shocks, and it even features a powerful LED system that serves as both a spotlight and an SOS light. With its impressive specs, including 8GB of RAM, 256GB of internal memory, and high-resolution cameras, the Unihertz Tank is your perfect travel companion. Lochett and Litl Lochett. Introducing the Lochett and its compact version, the Litl Lochett. Magnetic storage that defies limits. Can you believe these creators? With a strong magnetic pull, they can securely hold up to a whopping 4 kilograms for the Lochett and 2 kilograms for the Litl Lochett. It's all about that double magnet system that goes beyond expectations. But that's not all. They're adjustable with 3 sizes of straps, ensuring a snug fit for non-standard items. And here's the icing on the cake. These holders even glow thanks to the incorporated phosphor, making them ideal for both outdoor and indoor use. The potential uses for these holders are endless. All this innovation comes at an unbeatable price too. Just $14 for the small and $17 for the large one. Freemax SDS Ultra Plus. Are you tired of struggling with precise drilling for small holes in your DIY projects? This kit includes a mini drill with a powerful VC motor, a set of 10 high-speed steel drills with magnetic cold, and a rotary stand made of aluminum. The stand even features a built-in lithium battery and an OLED screen for convenience. With 4 rotation speeds and LED illumination, this compact drill ensures precise and effortless drilling for all your projects. Say goodbye to drilling woes and hello to precision with the Freemax SDS Ultra Plus. Ringo. Ever wondered how to make your smartphone experience even better? Introducing Ringo, the innovative water bottle that doubles as a smartphone stand. With over 1.2 billion new smartphones sold in 2022, compatibility is key. Ringo steps up by offering special magnets for iPhone 12 and higher models, and they're developing versions for other smartphones too. Say goodbye to uncomfortable video chats and hello to hands-free convenience. Adjust the angle, mount your phone vertically or horizontally, and enjoy. And that's not all. This bottle keeps liquids hot for 12 hours and cold for 24 hours, making it perfect for your active lifestyle. Don't miss out on this game-changing gadget, starting at just $59. Tooletries Harvey and Oliver set. Tired of bathroom clutter? Meet Tooletries Harvey and Oliver set. This kit sticks to any shiny surface, keeping your essentials organized. From fog-resistant mirrors to toothbrush and razor holders, this set has you covered. Need storage for shower gels and toothpaste? There are larger options with pockets for your beauty products too. Say goodbye to bathroom chaos. Storaxa. Introducing Storaxa, the ultimate gadget that's far from ordinary. Ever thought of combining cloud storage, a Wi-Fi router, and a 4K multimedia hub? The creators did just that. With 16 gigabytes of RAM, an Intel Celeron N6005 Jasper Lake processor, and multiple hard drive slots, this device is a powerhouse. It's not just limited to one version. Choose from various capacities and port combinations. Setting up is a breeze. Connect the hard drives, plug in, create an account, and you're good to go. With terabytes of storage space and smartphone access, Storaxa is a game changer. Prices start at $200, and guess what? No subscription fees. Your all-in-one solution is here. Let us know in the comments which one you're eager to add to your lineup. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more incredible content like this.